Namaste everyone, welcome back to BrewNourish. Today I am making the easiest Deshi Kimchi with minimum ingredients, fermented, probiotic and full of flavor. Here I am using Napa cabbage because its taste and texture are much better than regular cabbage. It's also traditionally used in Korean kimchi, but don't worry if you can't find Napa cabbage. Regular cabbage works perfectly. For this Indian fusion version, I am keeping the ingredient list super simple. I have taken cabbage, carrot, cucumber, a few garlic cloves, green chilies, ginger and a little onion. That's it. No complicated pastes, no long list of spices. First, I have chopped all the vegetables into small pieces. Once everything is cut, I am weighing the total quantity and here it comes to around 1000 grams or 1 kilogram. Now, this step is very important. For kimchi, the minimum salt percentage must be 2% of total weight of veggies. Less than 2% can attract bad bacteria, which is unsafe. More than 2% will make your kimchi salty and unhealthy. Today I am using 2.5% Himalayan salt because Himalayan salt tastes milder and less salty than regular kitchen salt. And remember, we never add water to kimchi. The salt naturally pulls out the water out of the vegetables and creates its own brine. Now let's mix everything. I am adding 1/4 of the cabbage, then sprinkling 1/4 of the salt. I am also adding a pinch of turmeric powder and some freshly grated ginger. Mix all of this really well. Then repeat the same process for the remaining vegetables and salt. Here I am going to speed up the video for the repeated process. Once all the salt is mixed in, I will cover the bowl and leave it for 1 hour. During this time, the salt will extract water from the veggies and make them soft. After 1 hour, you can see how much water has come out. This is the natural brine, exactly what we want. Now, I am taking a clean, sterilized glass jar and packing the veggies inside. Press the mixture down tightly. Reducing oxygen helps prevent spoilage and improves fermentation. I am placing a fresh cabbage leaf on top and adding a small glass bowl as a fermenting weight. Always use a clean glass item, not metal or plastic. The purpose is simple: to keep everything submerged under the brine for safe fermentation. Now I will cover the jar and let it ferment at room temperature for 3 to 4 days. My room temperature right now is around 25 to 26 degrees, which is perfect. 24 hours over and my kimchi is already fermenting beautifully. You can see lots of bubbles. That's a sign of healthy and active fermentation. It has now been 4 days and I am going to taste it. The top looks clean, no fungus, no kham yeast because everything was properly sterilized and the temperature was not too warm. The taste is amazing, slightly sour, full of flavor and no foul smell at all. This means the kimchi is perfectly ready. I have transferred the kimchi into smaller jars and keeping them in the fridge. Once opened, finish one jar within 1 or 2 days for the best taste. You can enjoy this Deshi Kimchi with rice, roti, bread, sandwiches, noodles or even fries. It's packed with probiotics and great for gut health. Try this simple Indian kimchi at home and let me know how it turns out. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to BrewNourish. See you in next video.